I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make quick chicken pho. We'll begin by creating a rich, aromatic broth, the heart of any great pho. You can easily start with a good quality store-bought chicken stock, saving you hours of simmering. Then, we'll infuse it with classic pho spices like charred ginger, onion, and a few star anise pods. Let it gently simmer for about 30 to 45 minutes to allow all those wonderful flavors to meld together beautifully, creating a fragrant base for our delicious soup. Next, let's get our chicken and noodles ready. For the chicken, you can quickly poach thinly sliced chicken breast directly in the simmering broth for about 5 to 7 minutes until cooked through. Alternatively, using pre-cooked rotisserie chicken is a fantastic shortcut. Just shred it. For the noodles, simply follow the package instructions for your preferred rice vermicelli, usually a quick soak in hot water or a brief boil. Ensure they are tender but still have a slight bite, ready to absorb all that wonderful broth. Now for the exciting part, assembling your perfect pho bowl. First, place a generous portion of the cooked rice noodles into a large, deep bowl. Next, artfully arrange your tender chicken slices over the noodles. The key is to then ladle the piping hot, fragrant broth directly over everything, ensuring it warms the noodles and chicken through. This quick assembly method means you're just moments away from enjoying a comforting bowl of pho, ready for your favorite garnishes. To truly elevate your quick chicken pho, don't forget the essential toppings. These fresh additions bring vibrant flavors and textures. Think crisp bean sprouts, fragrant cilantro, fresh Thai basil, and a squeeze of bright lime juice. For those who enjoy a little heat, thinly sliced jalapenos or a dash of sriracha are perfect. Arrange these on a separate plate so everyone can customize their bowl. Serve your delicious, homemade chicken pho immediately, and savor every warm, comforting spoonful.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.